The 100 by 300 centimeter cover lamb slabs are supplied in stockable wooden tray-like crates. The other formats are packed in conventional cardboard boxes when palletized onto different sized pallets according to the tile size. When using forklifts or cranes to move, load or unload the 100 by 300 crates, be sure to center the forks on the long side. If you pick up the crates on the short side, you should use forks with a minimum length of 2.5 meters. Try to maintain correct posture while working. Avoid straining your lower back and use gloves to improve grip and prevent cuts and burns. Make sure you place the crate near the surface to be covered and lift the tile on the long side into an upright position. The 100 by 300 centimeter cover lamb slab can easily be lifted into an upright position by one person, but it should be handled by two people. Always have another person help when moving the 100 by 300 centimeter tile. Hold it at the top, keep it up straight and protect the corners from accidental impacts. Then, carefully rest it on the long side, keeping it at a slight angle, and place it on a soft surface or on wooden planks laid at an appropriate distance apart. Before starting any cutting, make sure that the work surface is clean and flat, and that you have all the tools you need to cut properly. The 3.5mm thick pieces can be easily cut using a glass cutter, maintaining a continuous, even pressure, scoring from one end of the tile to the other without stopping. Then, you can snap the cut area by applying light pressure to both sides. Use a utility knife to cut through the fiberglass mesh. To achieve a proper finish and prevent sharp edges, it is important to sand down the edges. Porcelain tile cutters or electric disc cutters can also be used, both for the 3.5mm and the 5.6mm thick tiles. You can produce a mesh-mounted mosaic which can be used to easily tile rounded surfaces, such as columns and corners, by cutting the 3.5mm thick porcelain tile without cutting through the fiberglass mesh. To make holes for light fixtures or electrical sockets, drill holes in the corners of the required box. You should then use an electric disc cutter with a continuous rimmed diamond blade. You can easily make holes in coverlam using diamond tools for working with glass and porcelain tile, either dry or wet. To make holes less than 10mm in diameter, you can use an electric drill, but use it at low speed and never in hammer mode. Be careful not to press too hard on the surface of the tile. For holes over 10mm in diameter, use a hole saw. Start drilling with a drill bit at a slight angle to the tile. These tools can be used dry or wet. Coverlam also allows you to make multiple holes in the same piece.